Hi friends, welcome to today's class. So today's question is, the cost price of 6 pence is equal to the selling price of 4 pence. Find the profit percentage. So what's the given question? The cost price of 6 pence is equal to the selling price of 4 pence. So we can simply write it as 6 CP is equal to 4 SP, where CP is representing the cost price and SP is representing the selling price. Our question is to find out the profit percentage. This is a very common kind of question, and today I am going to discuss a shortcut method for doing these kind of problems. And this shortcut method can be applied for other problems too. You have to be thorough with this shortcut method. So let's proceed. The principle of this method is to represent an equation in terms of selling price, cost price relationship. But the thing is that you have to represent an equation like this. SP is equal to X into CP. So that is our principle. We have to represent SP is equal to X into CP. And if X is greater than 1, then it will be a gain. And if this X is less than 1, it will be a loss. So that is our principle. And then by using this X, we will be able to find out the corresponding percentage too. So let's explain this using this problem. So 6 CP is equal to 4 SP. So we can write in this format. So our SP should be equal to 6 by 4 CP. We are trying to represent an equation in the form of SP is equal to X into CP. So SP is equal to 1.5 CP. 6 by 4 is equal to 1.5. So SP is equal to 1.5 CP. Now this is of the form SP is equal to X into CP, where X is equal to 1.5. And here we can see X is greater than 1. Therefore it is representing a gain. Now we have to find out the gain percentage. So for gain percentage, we have to omit this 1 and just we have to take this number 0.5. So our gain percentage will be given by 0.5 into 100 percentage. So what will be our answer? 50 percentage. That is our answer. This is how we have to find out the gain percentage. Once we represent SP is equal to X into CP and we get X, we have to check if X is greater than 1 or X is less than 1. If X is greater than 1 means we have to omit this 1 and then the remaining number 0.5 or 0.2. 0.2 means 0.2 into 100 will be giving us 20 percentage. 0.3 means 0.3 into 100 will be getting 30 percentage. Here it is 0.5, therefore 0.5 into 100 percentage is equal to 50 percentage gain. That is answer to our question. Now to finish the explanation of the method, let's say if X is equal to 0.9, if it is less than 1, how to find out the corresponding loss? When it is less than 1, just we have to take that, we have to first do 1 minus X. Okay, 1 minus X will be 1 minus 0.9 here and that into 100 percentage. So 1 minus 0.9 is 0.1. So 0.1 into 100 percentage is equal to 10 percentage loss. Similarly, if it is 0.8, what we will be getting? 1 minus 0.8 into 100 percentage. So we will be getting 20 percentage loss. So 0.5 means 1 minus 0.5 into 100 percentage loss. That will be giving us 50 percentage loss. So as you go on doing the problems, this method will be more thorough with you. So for time being, the answer to our question is 50 percentage gain. Now let's go to example number 2. If the cost price of 10 chairs equals the selling price of 12 chairs, find the loss percentage. So here also the same kind of problem. The cost price of 10 chairs is equal to selling price of 12 chairs. So we can easily represent 10 CP is equal to 12 SP. So we have to find out the loss percentage. So we can go on with our shortcut method. So what is the thing? We have to represent SP is equal to xCP. That is the standard equation. Now we have to represent this 10 CP is equal to 12 SP in this format. So we will be getting SP is equal to 10 by 12 CP. So SP is equal to 5 by 6 CP. So what is 5 by 6? We will be getting some 0.833. That will be our answer. So SP is equal to 0.833. Okay, so now our X is 0.833. X is equal to 0.833. So it is less than 1. So that means we are having a loss percentage, and what is the loss percentage? It will be given by 1 minus X into 100 percentage. Just for explaining now only I am writing this X, 1 minus X and all. As you go on, you can automatically write SP is equal to 0.833 CP. So 1 minus 0.833. that will give us some 0.167. So that into 100%. You can easily omit the steps and you can just calculate it in mind and you will get the answer. Just for explaining, I am writing here x1 minus x and all. So our answer will be 16.7% loss. So when the number is less than 1, when x is less than 1, 1 minus x into 100% loss. So 1 minus 0.833 is 0.167 into 100% will be giving us 16.7% loss. So even though it is in the form of fractions, easily you can find out the corresponding answer from the options given. Anyway, they won't give, there will be 16, 1 by 3 or 16, then 15, 17, like that only options will be there. So 16 and some mixed fraction. So here approximately it is equal to 16, 2 by 3% loss. Now let's go on to a final example. The cost price of 16 sarees is equal to the selling price of 12 sarees. Find the gain or loss percent. So here it is given 16 CP or the cost price of 16 sarees is equal to the selling price of 12 sarees. So we are using our shortcut formula. We have to represent SP is equal to xCP. So we will be having SP is equal to 16 by 12 CP. That is SP is equal to 4 by 3 CP. So we will be getting SP is equal to 1.33. 1.333. That it is actually a recurring answer. SP is equal to 1.333 CP. So what we will be getting? What is it is greater than 1. Where x is greater than 1. So it is a gain percentage. And what will be the gain percentage? This number into 100. So what will be our answer? Gain percentage is equal to 33.33%. Thank you for watching.